Hey guys, I hope you're well. So today I'm going to practice the flying elements of the BMFA B Test. So that's basically, I'm going to take off, do 2 rectangular circuits, one each direction, then from there go straight into a figure 8, then do 2 stall turns, and then I'm going to do like a 45-degree descend into landing. And that's basically the flying elements of the BMFA B Test. So I'm practicing for my B Test, so let's see what it's going to look like. So start spooling up. You guys can tell me if you think what I've done is good enough for a pass or not. So it says you need to take off, get into a hover, and then I turn it that way and then start flying. Okay. So it's a rectangular circuit. And that's basically the first circuit done. So now I'm gonna come around this direction and do my second circuit this way. Right. So 90-degree turn, followed by another 90-degree turn there. Followed by another 90-degree turn there, followed by another 90-degree turn here, and then from here I'm going to go straight into a figure of 8. So that's my figure of 8 there, entering it, coming around to do my first circuit round, and then straight out in front of me for my second circuit. Right. And that's my figure of 8 complete, and then from there I'm going to go straight into a stall turn, and straight up into another stall turn, that's it. And then what I have to do is I have to do a 45-degree descent from either direction. I get to choose the direction, not the examiner. So I'm going to do it from this direction. I'm going to go up, move it forward, and I'm just going to do a 45-degree descent like that. And that should be straight into a landing like this. And that's basically it. So guys, comment, tell me what you thought, tell me if you think that was any good, and whether you think that would be a pass or not. Thanks guys.